Honorable Judge Doink the Clown. Have a seat.
Y'all may be seated. Bailiff, quiet in the courtroom, please. Quiet in the courtroom. Okay, we're here today to try the case of defamation of character. Heat Seekers Incorporated has a defamation of character lawsuit against them at the hands of CBW. Bailiff, have the baby removed at once. Baby Bucky has to be removed.
Remove the baby from the courtroom. Blanket too. Give the baby his blanket.
That's all I'm saying. We're here today to try the case against Heat Seekers Incorporated at the hands of CBW. CBW has claimed that Heat Seekers Incorporated has defamation his character, slandered his character. Today, we will come to the conclusion of who's right, who's wrong. I ask you right now, if you have any hats, please take them off. Please remove them. If you don't remove them, Bailiff Rusty will remove your hats. Please turn all cell phones off. If I hear a cell phone go off, it's going to be $100. Okay. Attorney Crown, you're representing Heat Seekers Incorporated?
Yes, I am, sir. I am representing the Heat Seekers Incorporated, located out of Mobile, Alabama, and across the southeast. With your permission, I would like to call my first witness to the stand.
That permission is granted.
The state would like to call one CBW to the witness stand, please.
CBW, please come to the witness stand. Rusty, we didn't have a legal binding deal, so use this picture of Heat Seekers Incorporated.
Raise your right hand. Put your hand on the picture. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? You don't? You do? Okay. Did the judge ask you to remove your hat? Let me help you.
Hey, man, that's my dang hat, man. What? Okay, sir, you do understand your rights?
Yeah, I am.
You've asked for a trial, and this is your trial.
I'm ready to get this show on the road.
Go ahead with your questioning, Mr. Crown.
CBW, you have filed this lawsuit threatening to sue via computer message board the Heat Seekers Incorporated, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
You are suing for defamation of character, am I correct?
Yeah, you're damn right you're correct.
Okay. First, I'd like to ask you a string of questions, CBW. In order to get this story straight, we need to know some things about you that you've done in your past. And we need to know, since you've been sworn in, if these things are true. Is it true? Now, these questions are going to be hard, and they're going to be tough, and they're going to be to the point. Is it true that you spoon with one Bucky Beaver?
Hell yeah, it's true. That's the thing. I love it, man.
Wow. At first I thought you may deny that, being such that was a brutal question. So I was going to bring Exhibit A to the witness stand. This here was found at your residence and seems to be a spooning object that you and one Bucky Beaver have used. Is this your spooning object?
Yeah, that's mine.
Well, this trial is going to be a little easier than I thought.
That's State Exhibit A.
Is it also true that your father trained you?
Yeah.
Is it true that instead of taking money that he takes donations?
No, it ain't true. He don't take donations. He trains people for money.
Court would like to bring Exhibit B.
We'll make a note of it. State evidence B. One Hamilton Beach crock pot, portable slow cooker.
This portable slow cooker was found at your father's residence up under a wrestling ring, plugged in with Hormel little smokies in it. Did you exchange this crock pot in order to train student wrestlers?
Yeah, well, okay, you got me, okay? We train people for anything and everything.
That's what I thought. Is it true that the wrestling ring that you guys train people in is located in a backyard?
Yeah, okay. We're backyarders. I'm sorry, that's all it is.
Answer the question.
Okay, I did. We're backyarders.
Do you sleep with underage girls?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yet you do all these things, and you bring Heat Seekers Incorporated to a court of law and try to downgrade them and put their name in the dirt and drag them through the mud. But you've done all these things. Sir, I almost feel sorry for you, being you have a staph infection that has spread from your head to your forearms. Speaking of this staph infection, is it also true that this staph infection was spread to not only you, not only you and Bucky, but also to a family member, one Hugo?
Yes, I gave it to Hugo and he almost died. He almost died.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. So why don't you just go ahead and admit it? You're a backyarder. You can't get booked anywhere except for places that book backyarders. You belong in a backyard. Actually, you belong in a hole in a backyard. Now speak up so Homegrown can hear you. He's drinking a beer right now.
Yes, we all belong in backyards. Me and Bucky. He's my best friend and I love him. And we spoon and spoon all night. And we wake up and snuggle in the morning and watch the sun come up. I'm sorry, Heat Seekers. I know I can't sue y'all. It was wrong of me. The AWF is the elite pro wrestling independent organization in the whole Southeast, and I would give my left, well, you know, I would give it to wrestle there again. But the truth is, since that dang new booker came in, he won't allow any kind of backyarders around there. He don't even allow them to hang out outside the building. If they're in the parking lot, they got security take them off the land. No backyarders allowed. Means my career's over.
Mr. Crown.
I have no further questions, Your Honor. This man has single-handedly answered everything that I need to know. But I would next like to evaluate and bring one Bucky Beaver to the stand.
CVW, you may exit stand. And by the way, give back SPW back their belt.